Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing the Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be creating a new mountain bike mud flap. I had done one earlier, but I was a little unsure about the measurements and the dimensions on the drawing. So we're going to go ahead and create a new one. So we'll go new design. I'm going to change this to millimeters. So we'll come down here to Design Spark Options, File, Design Spark Options, go to Units. Then go from imperial down to metric, and then click OK. Now we're going to go ahead and change that to plan view. We'll go minimize. You're going to open up a folder here, and we're going to drag in our reference file. Let's go ahead and close this folder. Let's full size this. And we want this to be, I have a size written down here, so well, now this is going to be 243 millimeters. So we're going to go draw a reference line in here. From there to there. We'll type 243, enter. And then we'll go ahead and select the click off. We're going to click on that graphic and grab the corner node. Hold down the shift key and just scale it up as large as we can. And we want that, basically the art to be the same length as the line. So now I have to make it a little smaller. That looks good. So now we're going to go ahead and get rid of the line. We're going to drag this into the center here the best that we can. Right there is good. Now we're going to draw a line. We're going to draw half of this, and then we're going to mirror the other half over. So we're going to draw a line down there. And then we're going to select the click off. We're going to right mouse click on that line, set as mirror. I'm going to grab the pan. We're going to just pan this up a little bit. I'm going to get the rectangle tool. First, we're going to start off over here. I'm going to click and drag. Right to there is good. And we're going to select the click off. Come up here to the Create Rounded Corners tool. And we're going to round these corners. Let's just go 11. And then we're going to click and do the same there, 11. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get the line tool again. We're going to come from here straight over or down at a little bit of an angle. And then we're going to come straight down to there. Click off, select. Going to come up here to the Create Rounded Corners. We're going to click here and drag a radius in there. Click. Let's zoom in so we can see what we're doing. Pan down. Oh, I had the wrong tool. Let's get Create Rounded Corner. Right there. I keep clicking on the wrong tool. Right there. The Create Rounded Corners, not the Create Corner. So we're going to click there, and then we're going to drag this. Let's just go 19. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and pan up with this. We're going to go ahead and get the line tool again. And then we're going to put a line in here. Let's go over a little bit. And we'll go up to about here. And we're going to go over to here. And then we're going to end the line right there. Since this is pretty curvy, we're going to use our spline line. And we're going to click there and just click and drag and put the little node marks wherever you want the cornered rounded part to go. And then click right there when you're done. Go up here to select to click off. Now you're going to get your Create Rounded Corner. We're going to put a rounded corner in here. Let's just go 24. Okay. Now you're going to go ahead and pan down. Let's go ahead and select the click off. I'm going to actually put another line in here from midpoint right to here. And now we're going to make that a mirror line as well. So right mouse click, set as mirror. Now we're going to start drawing these circles. Let's just go 6 with these. Now we have our lines over there. Now we'll go ahead and draw these. We'll do 6 there. And then go ahead and get the line tool. We're going to put a line from there straight down. Select to click off. Grab the circle tool again. Go 6 there. We're going to put one in the middle there. A little bit bigger. Make that 8. Okay, now we're going to select to click off. Now we're going to get your create rounded corners. Go from there over to there. 11 is good. And now we're going to Control minus. We're going to get rid of the drawing. Don't need it anymore. We're going to get rid of our mirror lines. Don't need those. Okay, now we're going to get our trim away. Let's get these. Okay, let's get rid of that line. Don't need it. And then don't need these. And then don't need these in here. So we're just going to drag. Oh, don't do that. Drag them our key, but on the inside. Get rid of all those. Okay. Now let's go Control plus. Let's go to select. Let's get rid of this little line here. Or let's zoom in more. Grab our pan tool. Let's pan down. Let's go to select and get rid of this line. Delete. Get rid of these. Don't need these. Get rid of that one there. Okay, let's Control minus. Let's Control plus over here. Let's pan over. And let's put a create rounded corner in here. I'm going to go from there over to here. Just drag this out to 24. And then we're going to pan across. Do the same on this other side. Create rounded corner. From here to here. Drag out to 24. So let's go ahead and pan. Let's pan up along here to make sure that this stuff's all good. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put a 3-point arch in here, so let's get rid of these. Hold down Control, delete. Let's get your 3-point arch right there. We're going to go from there straight across. Get that one there, that's good. Select, click off. Let's pan. Need a radius right there, so let's go ahead and get the create rounded corners. 15. Uh-oh, something happened there. Go from the bottom up. What did I do there? Let's go right there and do 13. Okay, and I'll do the same on the other side. Get the create rounded corners. Go right there to there. 13. Let's Control minus. Okay, this is going to be our flap. We're going to go to the pool. We're going to go ahead and let's spin this a little bit. This is going to be 1.2 millimeters tall, so we'll click there. Type. Oh, I see a little point up there I'm not crazy about, so let's undo that. Let's go ahead and pan this down. Let's Control plus to zoom in. Let's get rid of these two here. Hold down a Control key, delete, and let's put a 3-point arch in there so it's smoother. Okay. No, somehow I messed up there. Let's Control plus again. Let's pan over. Let's go ahead and get your 3-point arch line. Go from there straight over. Okay, that's better. Let's go Control minus a couple times. Let's go to pool. Let's spin this. Get the pull. Let's click on that face, type 1.2. All right, let's zoom in. A couple of control pluses, grab the pan, let's scoot this up. Let's get rid of these little opening pieces. Okay, that's going to be our mountain biking mud flap. This should fit a 29er bike. This is going to be, what we're going to do here is make 2 of these. We'll make 2 mud flaps. So we're going to go to move. We're going to do a control C, a control V. We're going to move this up. Control minus. Now we're going to rotate this 180 degrees. And that's going to be the back mud flap and the front mud flap. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. We'll go ahead and go to the top view on how to create a mountain bike mud flap with Design Spark Mechanical. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got some useful tips out of this video. Thanks again for watching.